How we are aware that we are aware. Toastmaster of the session, topic master, and everybody welcome. Be like a water. That's what Bruce Lee says about. So if we think what we are, we're molecules. It's liquid, gas, and solid. So we are water. One way or another, we're molecules. So when we think about what I prefer to be, is fluid like a water. If I in a cup, I will be like a cup. If I in a glass of water, I want to be like a glass of water. So that give you my idea that we have to be flexible. Flexible in any way. If I in a meeting, I have to be like in a meeting. So water flows in my body, and I have to be so flexible. So that's the way the inertial Mars, we have to be moving in one direction to another direction just to see how we can improve ourselves. So be like a water. So I wanna invite you guys to flow all the time, any place you go, any atmosphere, you stay like a water. So that's it.